guys, this is part 5 of the bee swarm series. I got this bee from the golden egg, so I need to plant this. Let's go plant it. Someone planted one. Oh, well, thank you for already doing it a lot for me. Let's go. Oh, make sure to subscribe and like to all the videos I make, because then you could get a shout out if you comment. I'll give you a shout out. You will get a shout out if you comment. Go, 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 go. Okay, good, 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 good. Faster than some of these people. Okay, why am I so fast? Let's go. Get better stuff. Geez, my bees be eating tonight. Okay, let's go up here. I know what we can do. Wait until it's nighttime. I want to get that royal jelly, but I can't get up there. Sorry about the noise in the background. I can't go here. Oh yeah, I already got this, but I just want to show you. That tickle's right there. I need this sprout to be just mine, no one else's. I can't let anyone get it, because then I won't get all the things, and I need all the things. I can't let anyone else get it, because Eli got to get anything he wants from me for. So I can't let him get my stuff. Okay, right here. Now I gotta do this. Wait, they're gonna find it. Gotta do this fast. I had an auto clicker, but it doesn't work. Okay, let's go. We need to go fast. Keep running around here, digging. I don't care about this stuff. I just don't care if anything happens to me. I just want this to break open. I want all your stuff. Hi, Stickbug. You want to dance with me? Dude, I'm going fast. I already have the golden egg, so I can't get it again. And if I would spend all my Robux. If I had to spend all my Robux on Bee Swarm Simulator, I would do it, because I love this game. Better than Adopt Me. Yeah. I might make Adopt Me. I got scammed on Adopt Me. Yeah. Guess who that is? I'm not going to tell you her, because I'm not introducing her yet into my channel. Great. I have to go to my stupid hive. I don't want to go to my hive. So I gotta go fast. So I don't want anyone taking my stuff. Because it's just mine. It's mine. Just mine, I mean it. Because I can't let anyone find out that's there. And if I see anyone go up there, I'm leaving the game. Now I gotta go run. He's e-dancing. Stickbug's e-dancing. Shall I e-dance with him? Or would he not e-dance with me? I wanna go on top of there. I wanna talk to Stickbug, but you can't. Can you talk to Stickbug? I wanna know if you can talk to Stickbug. Oh. That's still good. I love my bee. It's so tiny. Go check out Eli's channel. He has so many good videos. Way more videos than me, but I will make more videos. I just don't make videos often. And sorry that we don't edit on our videos. We just can't find any edits. We don't know how to edit yet. We don't know how to edit yet. And just giving you a reminder, make sure you like, subscribe, and like if you want that face review. Oh yeah, Mr. B's really cool. Whoa! No, I shouldn't use it. I want to have lots of speed. Like, I can keep it forever. Like, so much. Way more than Elijah. Like, so much speed. Like, I want to have this. No, not this much speed. I want this much speed. No, I want this much speed. Yeah. I also want this much speed. Because it's good. Right as it falls. Dude, he was here the whole entire time. Oh. It's fine. I got way more than him. Now with speed. Well. I don't know how to get up there. I think you have to have the glider. Oh yeah, you have to have speed to that too. I really want love. Is he gonna be able to get in there? Yes, he's able to get in there. Let's jump down. Well, that's gonna be it for the video. Make sure you subscribe and like. Bye!